Hi, Mr. Son. Nice food, ah.
Alright, buy me.
I buy you, ah. Somebody buy him. Now he enjoy it because somebody buy him. If he buy, he not enjoy. Correct or not?
No money on me.
This one no more ready, ah.
That's cool.
Ah, close down ready, ah.
No, that's cool. That's what you had.
Oh, look like no. Yes, enjoy the fish. Enjoy the fish. How come they have a lot of fish like this? Ah? How they buy? Ah? Where they buy? Ah? This is look like a lapu-lapu. Lapu-lapu fish. Yan. Yummy. Usok-usok pa yan. Nice, Mr. Su?
Yeah. Not big.
Cannot disturb him. That's why he enjoy eating for a free food. Ha ha ha. Gabi, umuusok talaga. Tignan nyo guys, oh. Yummy! Talagang umuusok-usok pa talaga yung pagkain. Yung isda, kumukulo-kulo pa yan talaga. Yun, oh. Oh. Sarap naman kumain pag kumukulo-kulo pa yung kinakain mo, di ba? O, yan. Kumukulo talaga, oh. Nakikita nyo, ay, umuusok-usok pa talaga yan. Si Mr. Su na enjoying. May pineapple sa guys, oh. Ladies fingers. Tapos pineapple chunk. Tapos, beans. Long beans. And some more fishes.